149 dispatch. We've got a wrong way driver, 35 eastbound. I'm behind it in pursuit.
What's your code 35 or mile markers?
Mile marker 38, 35 eastbound. Speed's a 76. Traffic is light.
Are there any other cars that can turn that way? 46, hold on. You're good.
We're still going to be 35 eastbound, wrong way. Speed's 90.
Central 1, what car just will take over? You're fine. Still going to be eastbound, speed about 90, traffic light. West side.
If I get the chance, I'm going to attempt to ram him. Stop.
We're going to be past what Main Street, Jefferson Street exit. Taking the on-ramp of Main Street, Jefferson Street.
Slow it down. We got to wreck out. Both are in custody.
Off leak. So it's on the 95. Off leaking. Off leaking. Blijven. Blijf. Good show. Blijven. Hey, give me your phone. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, we got it. It's in that wood line next to, I believe. Blijf. Blijf.
Great job, guys.
Live. Shine the light right here. I got him. Blijven. Blijf. Shine the light so you can get the gun. Blijf. Bro, he found it. I had no idea what the heck he was doing. right here. Hey, hey. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's my boy. Good stuff.
You want to take
Good
him out?
stuff.
I'll upload him straight to, I'll take
Good
him from
boy.
capture real quick too for you. Straight to that.
You got it, baby.
Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, he had me going all over the place. Holy cow. Dude, holy cow. I didn't know what he was looking for at that point. I was like, is there somebody else out here? Good show, my boy. Oh, that's a good man. Come here, come here. Look. Good man. Yep. Boy, that's my boy. Oh, that's my boy. That's my boy. That's a good show, huh? Good man. Steak dinner for you tonight. I know.